India requests Apache Attack Helicopters to protect border with China and Pakistan. It is armed with a 30mm M230 chain gun, Hellfire-guided missiles and Hydra 70 rockets. Now, Apache 70mm advanced precision kill weapon systems are also used on board. It also features a nose-mounted sensor suite for target acquisition and night vision systems. The latest version features improved digital connectivity, Joint Tactical Information Distribution System, more powerful engines, capability to control drones, full IFR capability and improved landing gear. Apaches can request to take control of an RQ-7 Shadow or MQ-1C Grey Eagle from ground control stations to safely scout via data link communications. They are designed to perform in front-line environments, and to operate at night or day and during adverse weather conditions.